Okay, so see, I'm doing a battery change today. It's on a 2010 Ford Focus, and I took the post off, cleaning it the best I can. Best way to clean off a battery post is use like a metal bristle brush like this. You can buy them real cheap. Look at mine, it's all beat up, but I can still use it. You can use it to scrape little corners. You know, that'll grab the top of the post and clean it off if it need to. Baking soda and water will do the trick. You see all of that? That's why it's green. That's all that corrosion that was on there. I scraped it off and I dipped it in the water. Don't worry about nothing happening. Just make sure the metal part dip into the water and that's it, and it'll dissolve. I already got the bracket loose. All I had to do was take that screw off right there. And there was a little screw right here. There was a little screw here and a little screw there. Post is already off, so I'm about to change the battery, pull it out now. Bam, and there we go. I put the new battery in. Place this back on. I cleaned off the post as good as I'm gonna get, and I'm gonna do an extra clean on it. See if I can get some more off. Get what I can. And that's it. Just tighten the bolts down. And I'm done. It's a die-hard battery, gold battery on a Focus. Good to go. I'll be right back. Hold on. All right. Totally done. It's back on secure. Positive and negative. Got the bracket down. Take the little rubber piece, put that back on there like that. And then I'm gonna test this battery to make sure it's good. So I'll show y'all how I run a test on it. But that's it. It's not that hard. Just usually it's just 3 or 4 screws I gotta unscrew, get the bracket out the way, slide the battery in, take the old one out, and that's it. Let me get the tester. Hold on. For my tester, I use the B2Q equipment. So take my negative, connect it, take my positive, get a good read, connect that, and then it should give me a reading. And when you start the car up, it'll give me a full rundown of the new battery. It's reading at 12 volts, so I know the battery is good even before I test it. It's fully charged. So let me go ahead and start the car up. I'm going to give you a receipt for everything. Yep, okay. For the whole service, I'm going to send it to you in a text and an email. If you want them in both, I'll just give you one or the other. So I'll give it to you in a text and an email.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just start a car.
Just go ahead and start it. Yep. At 9 volts. All right, y'all, I'm back. Okay, I couldn't hold the camera and put the battery in at the same time. So, oh, here come the ambulance. Ain't that something? They about to, somebody's going through something somewhere. Let's pray for that person, whoever that is. Okay. Anyway, I couldn't hold that camera while I was putting the battery in, so I'm gonna have to give me a new like a stand or something so I could stand my camera up while I'm installing the battery. But anyway, it didn't take me long. All I did was just unscrew a few screws, take the bracket off, take the post off. That took me maybe 10 minutes, if that. But I had worked on this one a little, like 5 minutes longer, because one screw was being so so damn stubborn. I had to work that screw all the way off. And sometimes you'll run into little small issues that you wouldn't even notice coming. Like if you've been doing it long enough, you will know what little things you might run into. So sometimes bolts will get rusted. Sometimes they be hard to get off because they too tight. You got to have the right tools. You know, whatever you need to get it off. But I got it done. I spent maybe 20 minutes putting that battery in, and bam. For every battery I do, I get about $50 if it's that's how much I split with the company. I get like $50. So $50 a pop, and if it's cash, I'll pocket the whole thing. You know, if I sell a battery on my own, they'll give me more. So when the company requests that the customer want a battery, they actually making the sale, so they'll just give me 50. But if I make more, or I said if I make more, if I sell the battery myself while I'm on scene, they'll pay me like $10 extra, so I get like 60. You know what I'm saying? So that's cool. So if you can knock out like I don't know, if you can knock out 2 batteries a day and you do it for 5-6 days a week, you do the math, and that's how much you're getting paid just off of battery sales alone. Not to mention, I got one roadside contract doing a bunch of calls on, plus I got another one that I do a bunch of calls on. So man, the money just be flowing in left and right. I'm trying to tell you, ooh, and it tastes so good. My family eating good, we rolling good, we living good, and I'm always working to make stuff better. So I'm in the process, me and my family in the process of working on trying to upgrade some stuff, you know, later down the line. So you know how that go. You gotta put the time in, the work in, blah blah blah, whatever, yada yada. But we'll get there. So eventually we gonna fix our house up a little bit, sell it, and probably move to another one. Get us some new rides coming up soon. We keep new rides, but our lease is up ain't until next. It ain't up till next year, but we getting it early. So we gonna drop a down payment on that new ST Explorer. Got to get that ST boy with the track pack, with the street package. I'm sorry, and you know. So stay tuned for that too. We're gonna be getting that in about 2 or 3 months. So that'll be like around October. But yeah. Any questions y'all got, comment. Like and share this video. I mean, that was a 2010 Focus. So anything y'all can help y'all with on a 2010 Focus, just hit me up in the comments. You know what's happening. You know what's happening. Hit your boy up and let's talk. If I get around to, you know, if the comments is coming in heavy, I'll try to get to everybody as quick as I can. But I'm out. That was that. I'm on to the next call. Gotta go get some more money, y'all. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one.